Okay, so we're going to give our review of the boutique hotel, Leparadis. There's a beach over there. This is my room over here. Little coffee station, water station, chair. Here's our living room and our shower. Yeah, I can see that. The shower's back there. That's different, let's say. Sink, closet area, bed area. And then here's our bathroom area. So we are in Jambiani. OMG, y'all, the food was so delicious. So breakfast was included. I had stuff from chicken strips to fruit to egg sandwich to bread and egg. There's a mango there. Those are like pancakes, but they're like crepes. But eggs and avocado. I said, oh my God, I'm eating so fresh here with the fresh fruit and the fresh veggies as well. So this is watermelon, chicken strips, chapati, beans, avocado. Oh my God, yeah, everything was just so good. And let's not forget our lovely dinner. This was the best meal I had here. Was mashed potatoes with that sauce and veggies and beef. Super, super tender, and love the presentation. This is a chapati wrap. I would get beef or chicken. This is soup with rice and salad. This is also, as you can see, I love the wraps. This one is the beef wrap. The other one was the chicken wrap. And as you can see, looks so good. So this was chicken with rice. And these are our mocktails. This was some type of mint fruity juice. And this was by the pool. This is in the morning. Pineapple juice. I mean, the view is bomb. And then this is another mocktail that was also very, very delicious. So within I would say 5-10 minute walk from the property is beach access. So you can go hang out at this place, just sit on the lounge chairs, enjoy the property. I love the beach. It's definitely so calming to go there. So these are made out of shoe. Can you see that? This is the shoe right here. This is made out of plastic. Is this coconut? Is this coconut? What is this? Yeah, it is. Okay, so that's coconut. These are made out of sticks, and the way that they do it actually is floating in the water, y'all. Like, how cool is this? Super, super cool. Love it, love it. Love the creativity that they have. Okay, y'all, they're floating. You see it's floating. I wonder if the foam is making it float, y'all. Can y'all see that? Look, you can see it as he's holding it. So let's see. Okay, he's just floating. Okay, it's floating, y'all. Y'all see it? So cool, so creative. These are smart thinkers. They're gonna be something one day. And there are other restaurants around. So if you don't want to eat at the hotel, there's another cool restaurant directly across. I want to say it's like a wine bar or something. So definitely go check them out as well. So you have options. And this mango salsa was my favorite thing on the plates. And it's located in a small town in Zanzibar called Jambiani. So this hotel was recommended to me by a friend that actually owns a restaurant there. Check out the box. That's a little plug. That's in Stone Town though. But anyway, Jambiani. So the location is very quiet in this little town, but I loved it in the sense that I needed to rest, y'all. Like I literally needed to rest, and I feel like this Jambiani is the place to do so. So the boutique hotel. I love the staff that was there, especially the owner. The owner is from Rwanda, and when I tell you, it's just very, very personable. When I first came, we went up to the rooftop. He sat and talked with me, and this was almost like a nightly occurrence, like us just chatting it up. And I love when the host can be personable. And so I thought that was super cool. I also like the food staff was wonderful. Anytime I needed anything, I'm like, hey, I need this, I need that. And on WhatsApp, they will be right there available. So I really, really like that. So the cost, you're gonna have to check out the cost on your own. I'm gonna say it's $100 or less, but definitely look on their sites or look on Airbnb or look or Booking or anything like that. They're all on those platforms as well. So definitely check out the price. The other thing that was a cool amenity is they have a rooftop. So the rooftop is like so nice. Oh my God, like y'all, when I was up there, I literally feel like I can go to sleep up there. The breeze is just breezing. They have these big comfy chairs and they have other things, other seats as well, but try the big chairs, y'all. And then the cool thing, if you're there on the weekend on like Saturday nights, they have a rooftop party where everybody comes in. And honestly, even though I was like maybe a floor below the rooftop, the music or anything never disturbed me. So you will be fine. So don't worry about, oh, I don't want to be where music is not. It was cool. Like, don't even worry about it. And the other thing, which you guys already see in the video, is the food, y'all. This food was delicious. Like, I don't know what it was about it, but that first meal that I had, and again, y'all saw it already, that beef, and like every night I look for it. Okay, what can I try on the menu today? The one thing I will say about the food though, just be careful. When you're ordering, tell them to take it light on the salt. On one of my dishes, it was so good, but then it was also very salty. So definitely just be aware of that. Just say, hey, just take it light on that. But other than that, food was delicious. And I even brought other people back, even when I didn't stay there, to like come and eat, and they enjoyed the vibes and different things like that. And let's see. Oh, and then okay, so in the actual rooms, I feel like it was spacious enough. They also have AC and a fan because it definitely gets hot again. And you can sit outside, like I said, because the higher you're up, the breeze is even on your balcony. And if you're higher up, you can also see the view from the sea. And so the other thing is too, though, is although the property is not directly on a beach front, like literally it's like less than a 5-minute distance to the beach. So I feel like that's a good way to like save money, because sometimes beachfront properties are more expensive. But I think being just a couple distance away is also a good way to get the same type of vibe, right? Without paying the price for it. So if you are in Jambiani, Zanzibar, definitely check out La Paradis. All right, peace.